Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jeff White Fitness Solutions. Thanks for checking out this video. And I want you to just look at these headlines. All of these headlines are very recent. They're within the last week. Some of these are from today. And as you read these, I want you to ask yourself, is our government, are the people we elected to represent us, are they trying to help us, or are they trying to hurt us? Now, it doesn't look good to me, y'all. There's been a lot going on, and these headlines here, they don't look like they're trying to help us. I don't see that. And we won't even talk about what's going on around the world. The United States, is on the verge of war with Russia and China this year. These are two superpowers that both have nuclear weapons. This year alone, on the verge of war with both of these countries. And then we're having issues with Saudi Arabia now. Now, Saudi Arabia is a huge piece of our economy because of the petrodollar deal. So we have all this going on at the same time. So again, I'm going to ask you, as you read these headlines, ask yourself, are the people we elected to represent us, are they helping us or hurting us? This, to me, looks like a demolition. They are trying to destroy the economy and start all over. That's what it looks like to me. I could be wrong, but I would love to hear what you think. But here's the worst part of all of this. Instead of questioning things like this and looking at it from, just a broad perspective, most people are too busy fighting each other. They're still fighting black versus white, rich versus poor, Gen X versus baby boomers versus Gen Z. It's ridiculous. We are too busy fighting each other. We are being distracted from the real problem. So again, as you look at this, are you really going to blame your neighbor for these issues? We have to look at the big picture. There's something going on here, and it doesn't make sense for all these things to be going on at the same time. When you have a Fed that tells you, well, if we lose jobs because they're trying to fight inflation, that's too bad. That's not right. If you have people who need insulin who are scrambling and trying to ration it because it's so expensive, that's not right. None of this is making sense. When people are told that their natural heating bills are going to soar this winter, just like you see over in Europe, that's not right. When you hear of threats of nuclear war and continuous escalation and heightened tensions and no talk of negotiations, that's not right. Something is going on, and to me, it seems like this is all by design to destroy the country. I could be wrong. If you think I'm wrong, I would love to hear your opinion on that. And I didn't even talk about the economy and the $30 trillion deficit and inflation going sky high. All this at the same time. Think about that. I didn't even talk about the food shortages and the droughts and all these other things going on at the same time. What's really going on here? I would love to hear what you think. But we have to come together, people. It's time to put these differences aside because people are going to be fighting each other when the real enemy is laughing as they watch us destroy ourselves. We got to get it together. We got to come together, people. We got to before it's too late.